Aurum triphyllum, Allen's keynotes, Indian turnip, family, Araceae. Coryza acrid, fluent, nostrils raw. Nose feels stopped up in spite of the watery discharge. Sneezing, aggravated at night. Acrid ichorous discharge excoriating inside of nose, alley and upper lip. Constant picking at the nose until it bleeds, boring with the finger into the side of the nose. Pick lips until they bleed. Corners of mouth sore, cracked, bleeding. Bite nails until fingers bleeds. I repeat, pick lips until they bleed. Corners of mouth sore, cracked and bleeding. Bite nails until fingers bleed. Patients pick and bore into the raw bleeding surfaces through, though very painful. Screams with pain but keep up the boring. Children refuse food and drink on account of soreness of mouth and throat and are sleepless. Saliva profuse, acrid, corrodes the mucous membrane, tongue and buccal cavity raw and bleeding. Aphonia, complete after exposure to northwest winds from singing. Clergyman's sore throat, voice hoarse, uncertain, uncontrollable, changing continually, words from talking, speaking or singing, orators, singers, actors. Desquamation in large flakes a second or third time in scarlatina. Typhoid scarlatina with apathy, scanty or suppressed urine threatened uremia. The sore mouth and nose are guiding in malignant scarlatina and diphtheria. Relations useful after hepar and nitric acid in dry, hoarse, croupy cough, after causticum and hepar in morning hoarseness and deafness, and in scarlatina. Should not be given low or repeated often, as bad effects often follow. The higher potency is most prompt and effective. Aurum triphyllum, Boric materia medica, Jack in the pulpit. Aurum maculatum, Italicum, Dracontium have the same action as the triphyllum. They all contain an irritant poison causing inflammation of mucous surfaces and destruction of tissue. Acridity is the keynote of the kind of action characteristic of aurum. Head, boar's head in pillow, headache from too warm clothing, from hot coffee. Eyes, quivering of upper eyelids, especially left. Nose, soreness of nostrils, acrid, excruciating discharge, producing raw sores. Nose obstructed, must breathe through mouth, boring in the nose. Coryza, discharge blood streaked, watery. Nose completely stopped with fluent acrid discharge. Hay fever with pain over of nose. Large scabs high up on right side of nose. Face feels chapped as if from cold wind, feels hot. Constant picking at nose until it bleeds. Mouth, raw filling at roof and palate. Lips and soft palate sore and burning. Lips chapped and burning. Corners of mouth sore and cracked. Tongue red, sore, whole mouth raw, picking up lips until they bleed. Saliva profuse, acrid, corroding. Throat, swelling of submaxillary glands, constricted and swollen, burns, raw. Constant hawking. Hoarseness, expectoration of much mucus, lungs feel sore, clergyman's sore throat, voice uncertain, uncontrollable, worse, talking, singing. Skin, scarlet rash, raw, bloody surfaces anywhere, impetigo contagiosa. Modalities, worse, northwest wind, lying down. Relationship, compare ammonium carb, Ailanthus cepa. Antidotes, buttermilk, acetic acid, pulsatilla. Dose,